Do you want to change the mail notification sounds on your iPhone? Customizing your email alert sounds is a great way to distinguish your emails from other notifications. Let's walk through the steps to change the notification sound for the Mail app on your iPhone. Solution 1. Change the default mail notification sound. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under the Sounds and Vibration Pattern section, and tap on New Mail. Tap on any sound to preview it. Once you found the sound you like, tap it to set as your new mail notification sound. To test it, you can send yourself an email or wait for a new one to come through to hear the new tone. By following these steps, you can easily change the mail notification sound on your iPhone, making it easy to identify your emails. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and stay tuned for the next video.